Hey guys, I'm here at my cousin's house. You know he's right here. Say hello, Jaden. Jaden. And we went. I went on the 3-wheel scooter. He went on his electric scooter.
That's actually
And we went to go ride over there, and we heard this really weird beeping noise. And we're gonna go check it out, right? So we're gonna go check this out. So it's getting kind of. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's like really loud. Car, guys. What's up? Smoking and perking, you know what I mean? Oh! Oh, what's up, guys? Yeah, I'm sorry because there's like a big old bomb in here. Hey, bro, slow down! Oh!
yeah, he's my cousin.
This shit is fucking siren. Bro, like, we hear sirens and there's like nothing. Yeah, oh yeah, we're like, Alright, let's go. I saw like an arm right there. Hey, dude! Hey!
Where's it coming from?
He's coming.
They have like a gun. Not a real gun, but a
Hey, you kids! Bro, there's a light. Bro, I'm getting. Yo, that's like. That's like bro, that's like legit scary, bro. Bro, I'm done. Let's go. Bro, that's not even cool. Like, bro, that's like legit not cool. That's like really scary. Bro, that was scary. Look at him. Bro, all of a sudden it got blurry. Bro, that's like.
Oh, look, I found a window.
Let's go, Jaden. Guys, run. Typical teeth that he's scared when he's trying his video. Oh yeah, guys, go check him out. Preston Guzman, go check him out, and of course, subscribe to me.
So this has been happening for like an hour. And my parents were living, guys were living about to like this is disturbance to property.
Hey, we're gonna call the cops. Bro, what is that noise? Alright guys, I'm gonna pause the video right now. Peace. Alright guys, we're back. It's still going on.
And this has been like 13.
Bro, this already been like 2 hours already. Bro, like should we call the cops? Like I don't want to get in trouble with my mom, bro. Hey, sponsor, what's it called?